This is a cool clip. Schumacher somehow avoids hitting fans after track invasion. And this was in 2000 in Italy. Good clip, Will.
Did you see this?
Good clip.
Okay.
I didn't see it, but I like these choices.
Did you watch the movie?
I watched the Schumacher documentary, but didn't get to this point yet.
Okay. Well,
go ahead.
Yeah, it's a very good documentary.
Play this.
And
are we copyright? Thank God we have so many super chatters keeping us alive.
Yeah. Because
we are copyright infringers. I mean, not intentionally, obviously. But like sometimes you play a clip, you never know. Even though we're talking about it and we're redoing it, it's commentary. Play the clip. Go ahead.
Just putting in some context with Michael Schumacher. He's a legendary F1 driver.
Wow, you felt the need to actually describe Michael Schumacher. That's crazy.
Well, for the listeners,
it's good.
And I'm describing the situation. Basically, it's like a lap in the Italy track in 2000, where fans just run up to the track. And here's a clip.
Mm-hmm.
And this is his cockpit view.
Oh, God. Good Lord. Sheesh.
And he's going very fast. And the crowds are literally on the track while he's driving through and narrowly misses a few. And like, because he's such a good driver, like, I think he just knows how to avoid things.
You know, this is a creepy frame rate on this video, too. It makes them look like they just jump in there out of nowhere.
Yeah, because of the low bit rate.
I don't know what the frame rate was when they were filming it or whatever, but it was, there was, because even watching the documentary, there was so much fan involvement. Like, he couldn't go anywhere. He couldn't walk around.
Mm-hmm. And he's telling them to, like, get out of the way. Like, he's motioning it, the people.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
And there's hundreds of people on the runway.
Has he even crossed the finish line yet? No, because he's cheering right there.
Yeah, he goes into the pit.
Yeah. I think he must have. He must have before this.
I hope so. Oh. Good Lord.
For him to not hit anyone is, it's amazing to me. Like, they're so close to the wheel. Like, that guy.
What do you do as a fan, like, if he stops there? What do you do that you just pile on? I don't know what.
Somebody's saying that this clip is at 5 times speed and he was actually only going 15 miles an hour.
He could, but like...
Is that possible? Can you slow it down?
Somewhat. Well, someone would say in the comments, I guess.
That's what somebody said, but I don't know if they're right or not. But if you slow down the playback to like half. Oh, you can't? Yeah, at the top.
That's pretty old. Oh, yeah, here we go.
To like 0.5. I mean, by the way, I'm not saying that they should be on the track. Yeah, but then the audio's off.
Yeah, everything looks a little too slow. Yeah. Maybe 0.75.
Weird. No, I don't know.
But either way,
this is insane.
The rule should be no people on the track.
It's like, you remember that thing you showed that clip with the golf the other day? And they were running to try to get the ball? It just seems like security and fan engagement and people were just a lot looser with these type of things at one point in time. And then like some bad stuff happened and they're like, oh yeah, we better control that. Because how like shut it down at that point. If all those people are on the track, shut it down, man.
Yeah.
Like I'm saying, go, I don't know. Very dangerous, definitely.
Mm-hmm.